I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my kitchen. I am going to be making just a simple little dessert. I thought I'd pop on and show y'all how I do it. We were in Hendersonville at the little apple festival a few weeks ago, so we got a ton of apples. So I'm going to be sharing a few little apple recipes so y'all don't get bored of apples. I actually made my own apple pie filling, and that's what we're going to be doing now. But I'm going to show y'all this quick little recipe. I want to also say at the apple festival, got me another little cute little apron like I did last year. Thank you to Miss Becky for Becky's Cotton Patch aprons. They are absolutely adorable, y'all. We've got Miss Becky's information that we'll link in this video if y'all want to check out her cute little aprons. But let's get started. I have got my oven set at 350 actually. Hold on. It stopped at 350. It's like, no, sugar, this is good for me. 375, and this is so quick, y'all, and you're gonna love these. We're gonna start with just some cinnamon rolls. You can get whatever kind your heart desires, but I went with these. It was a 2-pack, and I'm doing 12, so I'm gonna have a little extra there. I don't use their glaze. I'm going to be making my own glaze, so I'll show you how I do that. And y'all, I'm sure, has seen me make glaze before. But you can mash these down with your fingers. You can kind of roll them out. But we're going to mash these down in this little cup here. I'm just going to roll these out a little bit. Then we'll put them in the cup. You know what? It might be just as easy to do it with your fingers. Alright, so I have got my little, I'm just going to mash them out like this. It'll just be easier. We ain't trying to do anything more difficult. Alright, we're going to make little cups in here, just like so. Mash it. Just use my hands, use what God gave me, right?
Yes.
I am all about simple. This is a great little recipe if you need something fast, something quick. I am going to be making me some little cinnamon rolls, but not today. We're going to do it like this. I just tore it. Alright, I'm just going to mash these all in here. Because what we're going to do is we're going to be making some little apple pie cups, y'all. It's going to be delicious. You don't have to make your own apple pie filling. You can buy it in the store. You can go get it at the food line or Walmart. But I'm just mashing this here. We're just going to fill it up with that apple pie filling. And that's going to be all it is to it. After it comes out the oven, we'll slap a little glaze on it, and it's simple as that. Alright, the last one. I'm going to press him in like this. Just like so. My oven's ready now for real this time. Y'all, my old pan is old, but listen, if this old pan could tell some stories, I'm telling you, I've baked a lot of stuff in there. Alright, I got my apple pie filling there, and it is good. Just pop the top on it. I don't think we'll need 2, but I got 2 out just in case. We're just going to fill this just like so with that little apple pie filling. This is a perfect little bite too. You ain't going to overdo it, the big old honking piece of pie.
Moderation.
Yes, getting all your little goodies in there. We might need 2. Might need to open the second one. We'll see. Don't that look good, Russell?
Absolutely. It smells delicious too.
It does. That top, buddy, you pop it and it's just
fresh,
like you just made it.
Fresh.
Just like you just made it. Russ, you done had a little taste of it.
I have. It was delicious.
I told him, I said, taste this.
It was yummy, y'all.
Yummy, yummy.
Can't hardly beat them North Carolina apples.
No. I'm gonna be making other little goodies with them. You watch me have to open this for just 2 more. Hello.
Oh well, we'll use it.
We will. Alright, pop the top. Here we go. I could probably just have put some more in there. Good.
Yes.
Give it a little stir. Look at that, y'all. Look at that goodness. All them spices in there.
Ooh-wee.
Hallelujah.
Yeah.
Alright, now we're going to put this in the oven for about 15-20 minutes. And when it comes out, honey, we're going to glaze these suckers up and just take them to the next step. Put little chunks of apples in there. Like we eating us a real apple pie.
Yeah.
Alright. She's going in the oven, and I am going to put this in the oven and come back and show you how to do the glaze. Alright, y'all. I'm going to whip up this glaze. I got my, my little apple pie cups in the oven. Getting all happy. Now I've got about a tablespoon of soft butter here, and I'm going to add about a half a cup. I'm going to start with about a half a cup of powdered sugar. Get this mixed up. I don't know about y'all, but I hate those little packets of glaze that comes in those cinnamon rolls. They're chalky. They're just not too good. Alright, I'm going to add, I've already shook my buttermilk up. I'm going to add about a teaspoon. See where we're at. We need some more. We'll add some more. It normally takes about 2 teaspoons though to get it right. I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla. Maybe about a half a teaspoon of vanilla. Just to give it that good flavor. This is what it's looking like, y'all. I think I'm going to actually add a little more sugar because I need more glaze than this. So maybe another half a cup to make it a cup. There we go. That's a good thing. When you mixing it up, you can just do it how you want to do it, right? We'll add a little more buttermilk in here. Here we go. Getting it all mixed in. You can also make a good cream cheese icing to go on it. But look at that. That's more the consistency that I'm wanting right there. How creamy it is.
Looking good.
Looking good. Alright. All we got to do now is wait on our little apple pie cups, and we are good to go. Alright, y'all, they are out of the oven. Don't they look good? Whoo, Lord. Alright, I've got this little glaze. Now, I baked them around 17 minutes at 375. Everybody's oven's different. So, start taking a look at them, watching them around the 15-minute mark. I'm just going to drizzle this on here like so. Making a mess, but it don't matter. I did add just a little bit more buttermilk to this glaze. Just to loosen it up just a little bit so I can drizzle it. Yummy, yummy.
I can't tell y'all how good that smells.
Ooh, it smells so good.
Ooh-wee.
Alright, y'all, I'm just going to finish drizzling them. And I'm going to take them out, put them on this plate over here. We're going to give them a little try. Alright, y'all, they are all ready. Look at these beauties. Yummy, yummy.
Wee.
Woo, they're
Man.
good. Mm-hmm.
Smells like heaven right here on a plate.
It does. It looks like heaven, too.
Yeah.
Alright.
They look delicious.
Quick and easy, our spin on a little apple pie cup.
Yeah.
If you don't have all that time to be rolling out a crust for apple pie.
Quick, easy.
Quick and easy.
Yummy.
Yes.
Here we go, y'all. Mm-mm. I'm going to show my age here.
Oh, not his age.
Yeah.
Because if you show your age or show mine.
Well, only if you know. Y'all, people our age, y'all remember the Beverly Hillbillies? You remember Beverly
Oh,
Hillbillies?
yeah.
You remember Uncle Jed? He'd say, "Wee doggy."
Yeah.
Know what I got to say about that? Wee doggy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't know where he was going with the little age
Well,
thing.
I wanted to shock value when I said it, so yeah. Seemed to work out pretty good, y'all.
Yes, it did, yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. Tastes delicious, man. Sweet, tart. Them apples taste just as fresh as they was, they
just made.
right off the tree.
Just
yeah.
made. That's what I love about canning, y'all, and preserving stuff. It is, you just have that little bit, like I said, that was last year's apples, but Lord, they're tasting good, aren't
And
they?
Lord knows we need to use them up, because we got plenty.
We got some more.
You ought to seen the look this woman gave me when we was up there and I was grabbing these bags. She's like,
What are you doing? What do you got planned for?
I just want to make sure we have enough, y'all.
We have plenty, so don't get too tore up over us.
Hope y'all don't get bored of apples.
Some apple stuff, yes. But this is our little quick apple pie cups. You can't get no easier than this.
No,
You really can't.
man.
Something you can throw together
And
real quick.
delicious. When I say good, that is good, y'all.
It's good. That cinnamon roll is soft, and you got that sweet apples and that
Yes.
little glaze on top. It's the cherry on top. It
Yeah,
really is. But I hope you try it, y'all. If
Y'all
you
give it a
do,
try. It's a winner.
Let me know. I just love feedback. I was just reading my feedback before I started these, and I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
So when you try one of our recipes, just holler at me.
Yeah, let us know in the
Honey, I
comments.
tried it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us know. Thanks again for my little apron
Yep.
with Miss Becky.
Yeah.
Cotton Patch Aprons.
Yeah.
And till next time.